Hey there, welcome to Dr. Shivam's podcast. We have a set of questions for those who have thoughts of giving up, who have thoughts of quitting in their journey. So be prepared for answering why did you give up on your dream? Why did you settle for less? Why did you let that dream go? The dream that meant so much to you. Why did you gave up when the results were near? Was it because you listened to those around you who didn't reach their own dream? Did you listen to them when they imposed their limits on yourself? They said, be realistic. They said, take the alternative option. Was it because you had no examples close to you? Anyone who actually went after their dream and refused to settle for less? Again, why did you give up? Why did you give up when you are so young? You know without questions there are no limits. There is nothing you cannot be, nothing you cannot accomplish, no heights that you cannot scale. You know that, but as time wears on, for most people, life chips away a little more at their soul, chips away their ambitions, chips away at their belief in themselves. Opinions of others get inside and poison their soul, poison their dreams, poison their willingfulness. This world is filled with smart people who didn't make it, smart people that lost hope, smart people that gave up when they are so near. Those people who lack the courage to listen to the voice inside that says, yes, I can, and instead listen to the society, to the people who said, you can't. They say most people fail, it's too risky, play it safe. I will not play it safe. I refuse to accept less than my potential. I know the time is hard, but it's not too late. If you are breathing, there is time. If you are breathing, time is now. The time is now to live. The time is now to go after the experiences you wanted to live. The dreams you want to see in your reality, the abundance you deserve, the joy and potential that has the laying capacity to wake you up. You are capable, others before have done it and you can do it also. With all the intelligence, the people who are less than you have done it, so why can't you? With less intelligence, with less resources, with less education, with less help, there is no excuse that is valid. You just need to sum up the courage to go for it, the strength to fight through setbacks, the persistence to keep going until you see it, and presence to enjoy it when it comes. Your time is now. Remember, your time is now. In years to come, make sure the questions they ask you is not why did you give up on your dreams, but how did you make your dreams become your reality. So refuse to accept the less than your potential. If you are breathing, there is still time. If you are breathing, the time is now.